Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 2. I want to know if you can see any difference between those two. This one I traced. This one I basically traced, but I kind of drew it. So we're going to take our graphic and put it in the center of the page. It's not a centerable item particularly, but we don't really care. Let's draw an oval. And once you get the oval, you can spread it out, widen it out, make it wider. That's the difference between the 2-point line and the four-sided cross. And I'm just going to bring those in. So I've basically got the shape of the Batman. Now we're going to take a line, just almost like we did before, and hit P. Whoop. I wanted the 2-point line. So this isn't really a centerable item. You can see that it's to the left of that, but it doesn't really matter. We're going to take a 2-point line and go from that line to there. And then take another line and go from there. Now I'm going to, on that one, I don't want to go to the top of the oval. I'm going to get my 3-point curve line. Most mistakes people make is they try to make this curve all at one time. It just doesn't work. So break that curve in half. Get your 3-point curve line, go from that node to about there, and then just curve that. And then we want to go all the way to the top of the oval. We'll go there and look at that. Now I'm a little bit not smooth right there, but we can take this and just bring it down. Excuse me, bring it down to there. We're almost done. This is almost as quick. And so my oval isn't perfect, but it's good enough. So I'm going to go right there and just put that curve. And if you kind of try to stay in that middle of that gray matter, and just don't try to go the whole way. And we're going to just go right to that X or to that line. I think we're done. Because the logo is bigger, we can grab it and just move it out of the way, and you see what I got. I'm going to smooth this out just a little bit with those two lines joined. So I'm going to take the shape tool. Well, I can't really do anything with it yet because I haven't smart filled it. So let's do that. Let's smart fill it. Let's nudge it out of the way and then get rid of this and then nudge it back. Matter of fact, we don't need any of this left. And then just nudge it back down to the center of the page. And you can smooth that out. You can use their nodes. Now you can use the shape tool because if you delete that node, I don't know what's going to happen. That looks pretty good. And I think we're good to go. And then I would left click, right click, Control D, get the two-sided arrow while holding down the control button. Get your virtual segment delete key and delete that line. Now, if you wanted that cap on it like I had before, you need to smart fill it. Smart fill, okay, see what happened? This graphic was over the line, so it stopped the smart fill tool. So we'll just get rid of all this and put that back. The smart fill made it all one item. So if you want a little bit of a cap to his head, well, let's go up here and select them all to a curve and then grab that and just put this is actually a better way to make it symmetrical. And I think we're done. Take the smart fill tool and fill that in. And you're good to go. It's almost as fast. It is just as good. I mean, you could do it without the Batman figure and just make you the wingtips and everything. But if you've got it, and there's plenty of Batman symbols on the internet that are better than this. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.